Hi everyone, my name is Parul. Welcome to my channel Parul English Lab. This video is the second part of time series, and in this session I'm going to talk about for, since, during, while, till, until and within. So let's start our today's video. We all know that for can be used as a preposition as well as a conjunction. When we use it as a conjunction, then it has a different meaning. I already have talked about it in detail in the video of coordinating conjunction. If you have not watched it yet, I will mention the link in description box. You can watch it. So today we will see how for can be used to talk about the time. For is used to talk about a period of time in past, present and future. When we talk about a period of time, for example, I have been living here for 2 years. So 2 years is a period of time. It is not the exact time. We are not talking about the exact year like 1999, 2002, not the exact year, but a period of 2 years. So this is a period of time. So here we will use for. Jane has worked here for 7 months. Again a period of time. The students have been studying for how long? For 30 minutes. She had studied German for 3 years. So sometimes I have seen people using since here, since 3 years, since 30 minutes. That's incorrect because we are not talking about the exact time. We are talking about a period of time. Period can be of 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 10 years, 5 years, 5 months. So this is what it means. I have been teaching for 7 years. So it's a period of time, a period of 7 years. The children had been playing for so long. Again, for so long shows the period of time, not the exact time. So generally, when we use for to talk about the period of time, to talk about the time, we use for generally in perfect or perfect continuous tenses. Okay, we don't use it in continuous, like I am teaching for half an hour. I am studying for 2 hours. So that's incorrect because that is continuous. I am present continuous tense, and we don't use for and since in present continuous. We generally use them in perfect or perfect continuous tenses. Okay, so this way you can use for to talk about a period of time. Next prepositions are till and until. They both have same meaning. They both can be used interchangeably, and the only difference is that till is used more frequently. It is more common than until. Otherwise, they both have the same meaning, and they both can be used as a preposition as well as a conjunction. Now let's go through some examples. My sister played till 7 p.m. or my sister played until 7 p.m. They both are correct. Results will not be declared until March, or the results will not be declared till March. We will wait until Sunday. Now here you can see that after until we have a noun. Until Sunday, until March, till 7 p.m. So it's a noun. So here it's a preposition. But in next sentence, I am not leaving until you apologize. So you apologize. You is a subject and apologize is the verb here. Okay. So here until is connecting to clauses, to sentences, and we know that conjunctions, they are used to connect to clauses. Okay. So here it's not a preposition, it's a conjunction. I'm not leaving until you apologize. Okay. Sometimes what people do, they make a negative sentence after until or till. That's incorrect. Don't do that. Okay. Don't make it like I'm not leaving until you don't apologize. That's a big mistake that people make. Okay. Until you apologize. Always a positive sentence after till or until. I didn't eat until my mom came back home. She is not leaving till evening. So here till evening. So after till, evening is a noun. So here this is a preposition. So this way till and until, they both have same meaning and they both can be used as a preposition as well as a conjunction. Next time preposition is since. Since is used to talk about a point in time from the past. Okay, so it talks about the exact time when the action started, when something started. Okay, for example, he has been playing since 6 p.m. So he started to play at 6 p.m. So it tells the exact time when the action started. Max had been learning the guitar since he was 12. So here he was 12, again an exact point in time in the past, that when he was 12, then he started to learn the guitar, the exact time. We have lived here since 1994. So again we started to live here in 1994, and since then we have lived here. She had known him since childhood. Again, the exact point in time when she was a child, since then she had known him. We had been sleeping since morning, since evening, since afternoon, since 1993, since March, the exact month, since the exact year, since 7 o'clock, the exact time. So when you know the exact time, the exact point in time, then we use since, otherwise we use for. When we talk about a period of time, when we don't know the exact time when the action started, then we use for, otherwise we use since. Next is during and while. During is a preposition, but while is a conjunction. It's not a preposition, because while connects to clauses. We know that conjunction is a word that connects to words, to phrases and to clauses. Clauses means sentences. So that's why while is a conjunction. Now let's look at the structure. The structure is while plus subject plus verb. So subject plus verb means a clause or a sentence. And here the rule is during plus noun. So it's always a noun that comes after during. So first let's start with during. Through the entire time, or at a certain point in time when something was happening, then we use during. For example, we had a long discussion during the dinner. So the dinner, through this entire time when we were having dinner, that time what was going on? Something was happening. What was happening? We had a long discussion. We were discussing something. We had a long discussion during the dinner. I had a great time during my vacation. So during my vacation, throughout this time, I had a great time. Okay, I had a great time during my vacation. You are not supposed to talk during the test. So during the test, during this entire time when you are writing your test, you are not supposed to talk. Don't sleep during the movie. I used to live with my grandparents during my holidays. So during this time, during my holidays, during this entire time, I used to live with my grandparents. So don't forget the rule. The rule is during plus noun. So here, everywhere after during, we have used a noun. Okay, during the dinner, during my vacation, during the test, during the movie, during my holidays. Okay, that's why this is a preposition, not a conjunction, because it is coming before the noun. Now next is while. While is used when two actions are happening at the same time. One thing is happening while another thing is happening. Okay, so here we already have discussed the rule, while plus subject plus verb. It's a conjunction because it is connecting to clauses. I drove the car while I was drunk. So I drove the car, one sentence, while I was drunk, another sentence. Okay, so this action and the second action at the same time. While I was studying, my mom was preparing the dinner. So first action, while I was studying. Second action, my mom was preparing the dinner. You can frame this sentence like, my mom was preparing the dinner while I was studying. So that is also correct. Next is, the bell rang while we were sleeping. So one action, the bell rang while another action we were sleeping. So here you can see that two actions are happening at the same time. We all took notes while our teacher gave the lecture. Again, two actions are going together at the same time. So this is the difference between during and while. Next and the last time preposition is within. Let's see how we can use it in different sentences. So it is used before a particular period of time. For example, the guest will arrive within 10 minutes. So this is a particular period of time. So before that, the guest will arrive within 10 minutes, before 10 minutes. The students got their results within a week. I will complete my work within an hour. So before a particular period of time. That period can be 10 minutes, 10 days, whatever. Less than a particular distance from something. So here we are talking about a distance. Okay, less than that. Everything is within the reach. That means you can easily go and buy anything. So everything is within reach. The school is within walking distance. You don't have to take a car or a bus. It is within walking distance. Next is inside an area, group or system. For example, there is a conflict within the family. So it's a group within the family. There is a conflict. There is some problem going on within the organization. So the system within the organization. There is a bookshop within the school premises. So within that area here. I am somewhere within the lobby of the auditorium. Where are you? I don't know exactly, but I am somewhere within the lobby of the auditorium. So again, we are talking about inside an area. So inside an area, group or system, we use within. Next is in the limit of something. For example, they made a movie within the budget. So whatever the budget was, in that budget. We should live within our income. So this way we can use this preposition, time preposition, within. So that's all for this video. Please practice, and if you have any doubts, you can mention in comment section. Keep watching my videos and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and share with your friends. Keep learning. Have a great day. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching my videos. If you find them helpful, please like and share with your friends. Feel free to leave comments. Do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to receive a notification for the new videos. Thank you, take care and have a great day.